Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Bio Classes based on NCERT syllabus for PU first and second year. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications as soon as videos are getting uploaded. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, okay? And I'm having throat infection, so because of that voice might be getting changed. Hopefully soon it will get cured and I might be coming back with my actual voice. Anyhow, students, today we are going to discuss about pedigree analysis, okay, which comes under genetic disorders. In your NCERT textbook, it is on page number 87. Okay, same after mutation you have a pedigree analysis. Okay, so this pedigree analysis is what? This is not that what you can imagine. Pedigree means the food which we are providing for our pets. Okay, that especially dogs, for those we are providing pedigree. This is not that pedigree, keep that one in mind. This is something else. Okay, pedigree analysis. This pedigree analysis is used to analyze the diseases which has been transferred from parents to their children. Which disease can get transferred from father to the son or father to the daughter, or which disease can be transferred from mother to son or mother to daughter. Okay, we can come to know if you know one disease. If you are having one particular disease in your family, someone is having, then this disease has been transferred or it has been inherited from father or mother or from great grandfather or grandmother. So you can make it out by using this pedigree analysis. Okay, hope you understood what is this concept talks about. So about pedigree analysis, you have here, it has been given in your textbook itself. It is the study of the family history. Okay, family history about inheritance of a particular trait. Trait means what? Character. Particular trait provides an alternative, is it? Which means pedigree analysis will provide the history of the family, showing the characteristics of that family of every individual. Analysis of traits in several generations of a family is called as pedigree analysis. Now this you can write it as definition. Which one? This one. Okay, analysis of traits in a several of generations of a family is called as pedigree analysis. Okay, in a family we are going to analyze which traits have been transferred to whom. Okay, like you might have been seen that your siblings, which means your brothers and sisters, one brother is similar to he appears like father or mother, or one sister, she might be like father or mother, or she might be like some grandparents, is it? So how does this has been occurred? What are the chances? That you can make out through pedigree analysis. Okay, so in the pedigree analysis, the inheritance of a particular trait is represented in the family tree over generations. Here how they are going to represent? They are representing in the form of family tree. Okay, nowadays you all might have seen those family trees in some pictures or somewhere. That family trees are actually used to know what kind of diseases can be transferred, what kind of characters can be transferred to whom. Okay, fine. So what is pedigree analysis? You have definition here. And this pedigree analysis, what it does, it provides a strong tool. Okay, it is used as a tool to utilize to trace the inheritance of specific trait, is it? This can be used as a tool so that to know which diseases can get transmitted to whom. Okay, a specific trait, it might be characteristics, abnormality or diseases, any it might be, you can make out by using this pedigree analysis or pedigree chart. Okay, as you can find, DNA will be having lot of information, so because of that itself you'll get here. Now I forgot to mention you all that pedigree analysis was first discovered by Sir Archibald Gerard. Okay, Sir Archibald Gerard in the year 1901. He has discovered, or he has invented this pedigree analysis, and he is a father of human genetics. Father of human genetics or biochemical genetics. Okay, father of human genetics or father of biochemical genetics. So that is Sir Archibald Gerard. He has discovered this pedigree analysis. And here Mendel has already given how does it will get inherited and all. but he didn't know about genes and other things. So he has utilized that. Archibald Gerard has talked about it, and he has mentioned with some of the symbols which can be used to trace the diseases. Those symbols you will get here in your textbook on page number 88. Okay, this is the page number 88. You can find here, these are those symbols which has been used. Okay, so you will find square for male, this one for female. Next, sex unspecified square. Wherever there is a square, you have to imagine that one as male. Then round, it is female. Then this one, sex unspecified, which means they don't know what might be the sex. Okay, or sex has not specifically mentioned there. Then if it is colored one, okay, as it has been shown colored, red color, here it will be red color. Now on the board in your book you are not going to draw that red color. What you can do, you can just fill those boxes. You can fill those boxes with the lines, as you can find. If I am showing here, if this is a male, if it is red color, then you are showing like this. You can show like this. If it is female, you are showing like this. Okay, or else you wish you can sit and just to fill it with your pencil, something completely like this, your wish. Now we said that these symbols, which one, this one is for male, this one is for female, this is sex unspecified. If the same, they are colored or they have been filled with lines or something, those affected individuals. Affected individuals means what? Those who are carrying disorders or diseases. For those we are showing with the colored one or filling with the lines. Okay, hope you understood. Now here one is male, another one is female. In between one line is there, that we call it as mating. Mating is nothing but, you can call in simple terms, it is nothing but marriage. Okay, male and a female, they have been linked with each other, it is marriage or mating. Now you have same male and a female with two lines. If it has been shown in a two lines, you can find mating between relatives, which means marriage between relatives. Okay, for that consanguineous mating we call. Okay, marriage between relatives, it will be two lines. If it is in some other, then it will be one line. Now how to draw this, they have been shown here. This is a male, this is a female, there is a one line, which means these both have been married. Now it is showing the downward direction, one is female, another one is male, which means these are children's. Whose children? These are the parents, they are having two children, one male, one female. See here, parents above and children below. Parents are above, children are below, in order of birth, left to right. This is the order of birth, starts from here, first female, then male, then further whichever it has. But here it has given only two, so elder one is female, younger one is male. Okay, its order starts from left to right. Always do remember this. This is how you are going to show. This is a very small family, you can imagine. Okay, as you can find nowadays nuclear families, that you can say this. Okay, parents with male child affected with the disease, you can find these are the parents. It is having one child. Which a child, male or a female? It is a male. Male, it is normal? No, it is affected. Is it? These parents are having a male affected child. Now here you can find in this, it has been mentioned number. Not only in this, it can be round, it can be square, whichever it is, male, female or somewhere. If there is a number inside it which shows 5 unaffected offsprings, because 5 is there, 5 unaffected offsprings are there. If the same one, if this same shape colored with the red, then with the 5 number, what you'll say? 5 affected offsprings. Is it? If this was a number wise given here in the round now 4 it has been given, what you'll say? 4 females. Is it? 4 males, if it has mentioned number. So this number represent individuals, the number of individuals. Okay, now using these symbols, then we are going to draw this kind of charts. Which one? This pedigree analysis or pedigree charts. Okay, these are the pedigree charts. Now it is very clear. You can find that this is a female, this is a male, normal male, affected female. Because why affected female we are calling? Because it is red in color. She is having one specific disorder, whichever it might be. She is having a disorder. Now how many children they have? You can find. This is first, second, third, fourth. Only 4 children. We are not counting this. These two have not been counted. Why? Because these are not their children. Okay, their male son has been married to a female and female has married to male. This link shows marriage, as I said earlier. which has been mentioned as mating. Is it? So these two parents are having 4 children, 2 male and 2 females. Now this female, in that one female is affected, another male is also affected. Now when female has been married to a normal man, right, when female affected individual is married to a normal man, then it has been shown, you can find that female is having a daughter, she is having disorder. Okay, can you find this, that both the males are normal? Here one of the male son who is normal married to a normal female, then all children are normal. If one of the affected individual has been married to a normal individual, then in their children also you can get that effect. Is it? So this is how you are going to draw the family tree. Similarly, you have here too. You have here too that male and a female, there is a marriage, then they are having children. How many children they have? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children are there. In that, how many males? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 males are there. Sorry, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual. We said there are 3 males. Okay, there are 3 males and 2 females. Now this female has been married to a normal man, but you can find that disease has been transferred. In parents it is not visible. In parents it is not visible, but children are having that disease. Is it? For this we call it as recessive diseases or recessive disorders. Why recessive? Because it is not expressing. Where it is not expressing, in parents it has not been expressed, which means one of the parent is having that disorder gene, but it is in a recessive condition. Hope you remember dominant and recessive. It is there, but because it is there in a recessive condition, that's why it has been shown in the children. Okay, any one of the parent is having, but it has not been shown. It is, they are carrying that disorder but not shown, but it has been seen in their children. Similarly, both are normal, but it has been seen in their children. This is a recessive disorder. Now, for this kind of disorder, we call it as dominant. Why? Parents are having, one of the parent is having, so definitely we are seeing that one in their children. One of the parent is having in children, which means it has been seen that one of the parent is having. That's why it has been inherited. Here, parents are not having, it has been inherited. So this one is recessive, this one is dominant. So you can find here they have mentioned pedigree analysis, autosomal dominant trait. This is autosomal dominant trait. Example, myotonic dystrophy. Okay, autosomal dominant trait. Autosomes, we are nothing but those chromosomes other than the sex chromosomes. All chromosomes are autosomes. If the disorder is in the autosome, in the those chromosomes which comes under, which are not sex chromosomes, then those will be autosomal trait. Then here autosomal recessive trait. For this example is sickle cell anemia. Okay, recessive trait, which is parents are not seen, in children it has been seen. Fine. So this autosomes, I shall discuss about that. If you have forgot, you can go through that video also where I have given about number of chromosomes with autosomes and allosomes. In sex chromosomes I have discussed that. Please go through that and find out. Here we have 46 chromosomes. We said in this 46 chromosomes, 23 are, sorry, in this 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are autosomes. Only one pair of chromosome is allosomes. Is it one pair or 2 chromosomes? 2 chromosomes. These are allosomes or sex chromosomes. Okay, if these in these 2 chromosomes there is a change in the DNA sequence or a deletion or insertion, some disorder is there because of these 2, then it will be related to sex chromosome. If the disorder is in or there is a change or deletion or insertion of these chromosomes in these 44 chromosomes, if it is occurring, then we call it as autosomes. Okay, so both are autosomal diseases, right? Both are autosomal diseases, but one is dominant, one is recessive. Why dominant? Because parents are showing a disease, it has been transferred to offspring also. Parents are showing, transferred to offspring. Here parents are not showing but transferred to offspring. So once again, parents are not showing, transferred to offspring. Okay, these are the pedigree chart. Okay, till now in earlier years, I think when the new syllabus has been started, at that time it has been asked to draw the pedigree chart of autosomal dominant trait or autosomal recessive trait. After that it has not been asked. but you must get prepared for entrance, and even those questions they can remember it now, and now they can ask. Nothing much you have, just 2 charts are there, please go through that. And about sickle cell anemia we have a further, I shall discuss there. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, any queries, please comment it in the comment box, and try to follow my channel regularly, because from now onwards I may be uploading the videos regularly. And please don't forget to subscribe. Many are not subscribing and viewing the channel, please subscribe it. Okay, we shall meet in our next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.